quadratic equation by completing the square method. 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. What is the value of s? Hi everyone, welcome to this class. In today's class, we want to look at how to find the value of s from this given quadratic equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0 using completing the square method. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution: 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Then the equation can be written as 2x squared minus 3s. If minus 5 cross equal side, it will be what? Plus 5. Now let's divide both sides by the coefficient of s squared, that is 2. We have 2s squared over 2 minus 3x over 2 equal to 5 over 2. This one will cancel this. S squared minus 3x over 2 equal to 5 over 2. Let's add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. Let's add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. That is, the coefficient of x here is what? We have s squared minus 3 over 2x plus minus 3 over 4 square is equal to 5 over 2 plus minus 3 over 4 square. Then we pick this. We have s, this sign minus, then we have 3 over 4 all square is equal to what? 5 over 2 plus that minus 3 square is 9 over 4 square, that is 16. Then we have s minus 3 over 4 all square is equal to what? The LCM is 16. 2 goes in 16 how many times? 8. 8 times 5, that is 40 plus 9. Then we have s minus 3 over 4 all square, which is equal to what? 40 plus 9, that is 49 over 16. Let's take the square root of both sides. S minus 3 over 4 all square, then the square root, which is equal to what? Square root of 49 over 16. This one will cancel this. Then we are left with s minus 3 over 4, which is equal to square root of 49. We have plus or minus 7 over square root of 16 is what? 4. Then we have s is now equal to what? 3 over 4, that is, if minus 3 cross equal sign, it will become plus 3 over 4, plus or minus 7 over 4. Therefore, the value of x is, we have s is equal to what? 3 over 4 plus 7 over 4, or s equal to 3 over 4 minus 7 over 4. Then from here, s is equal to what? LCM is 4. Then 3 plus 7. that is 10 over 4. 2 here, 2, 2 here, 5. Then s is equal to what? 5 over 2. Or from the second case, we have s is equal to 3 over 4 minus 7 over 4, which is equal to 3 minus 7, that is minus 4 over 4. This one will cancel this, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, s is equal to what? Minus 1. The final answer is s is equal to 5 over 2 or minus 1. That is our final answer. If you have enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.